Two leaders, two crises. Tonight, their futures at stake. For France's President Macron, the threats from the street. Thousands protesting Saturday, running battles with riot police. Revolution, the cry.
Une révolution.
It's the start of a revolution.
Si.
Their targets, high taxes and Macron. Tonight, he responded, promising the minimum wage will rise by more than $100 a month. The protesters have dismissed Macron's concessions as too little too late. And they say they'll be back here on the Champs-Élysées next weekend. In Britain, protests against Prime Minister May over her controversial Brexit deal, taking Britain out of the European Union. Today, facing a huge defeat over it, she killed a vote.
If we went ahead and held the vote tomorrow, the deal would be rejected by a significant margin.
This shambolic government.
Unpopular leaders, uncertain times, two nations in turmoil. Bill Neely, NBC News.
Back home tonight. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.